Okay, let's quickly look at advantages of WhatsApp. All right. Like I said, WhatsApp is a very important marketing platform. Okay, it's a messaging app. So it offers personalized communication. Right. So this is an app that gives you that opportunity to communicate, to chat with your potential customers. Okay. And if you understand marketing properly, you see that marketing flows beautifully when you are kind of chatting with the person you want to sell to. Okay, if you have the opportunity to chat with them instead of just sending a promotional information. Okay, a lot of people don't actually react positively to promotional information, but when there is an opportunity to kind of have a talk with somebody or a chat with somebody, they kind of like it more. You understand? So WhatsApp gives you that opportunity to have that communication with the somebody you want to sell to, so that if the person has any question to ask, the person will ask you. Okay, then it also gives you that opportunity to understand your customers properly, to know the kind of message you're going to send to them, and offer that a message that can offer value to them, and then they respond to you, you respond to them. Okay, so it's it's amazing app for marketing. Okay, so the second one is cost effectiveness. So of course it is cost effective. WhatsApp marketing is an economical way to connect with customers. Okay, all that is required is internet connection, making it an attractive option for both small and large enterprise. And the return on investment is quite high due to improved conversion rate, increased sales, and stronger customer connections. Yeah. Um, WhatsApp, using WhatsApp, you don't pay for subscription. Unlike when you're using email marketing, if you're marketing through email, you have to pay like monthly or yearly subscription to use the platform. And some other platforms also, you have to pay to be able to reach your customers or your prospects. Okay, but on WhatsApp, it is free. That is the mind-blowing part of it. It is effective. Okay, the return on investment is high. Okay, the selling is increased on WhatsApp. Okay, and it offers stronger customer connections. Still, it is cost effective. It is free. The only thing you need is just to have internet connection. Okay, then you have enough time to chat with people. Okay, and you have value to offer to people, and you have a product you want to sell, then you know how to organize people that needs the product. That's all you need. You don't need to spend money on WhatsApp, as in to use WhatsApp. It is free. Okay, so that's another huge advantage of using WhatsApp. Okay, then wide reach. Yeah, WhatsApp has right now, I said 2 billion before. It used to be 2 billion users worldwide, but now it has increased. I told you that we have 3.3 billion monthly active users. Okay, so that means it has increased from 2 billion, because when I created this, it was around that 2 billion, but now it's 3 point something billion active users. And you know what? It is increasing every single year. So it kept increasing. The user base kept increasing. Okay, because I think WhatsApp is now a worldwide messaging app. Okay, it has now been approved as an accepted in almost all parts of the world. Okay, so you see, so it has a wide reach. It gives you the power to instantly interact with a broad audience of people of all ages, profession, background, genders. This allows businesses to extend their reach to other demographics, potentially reaching the upper end of the company's prospective earning range. So you can reach people from different parts of the world and comfortably interact with them. Okay, they will ask you a question, you answer them on WhatsApp. Then if they are okay with your answers, then they might buy from you. So it's an easier way to sell to a large customer base. Then customer engagement. WhatsApp marketing enables customer engagement throughout the purchasing process. Any question or confusion are answered immediately, and users can evaluate the choices provided, make decisions, or request assistance as needed, all from a single chat window. So I've explained this. Okay, every customer would like to ask a question and their questions answered. Once they are satisfied, then they will buy. But if they don't have that opportunity to ask a question and that question answered instantly, they might rethink when it comes to buying. Okay, so WhatsApp makes it possible. The e-commerce integration. The WhatsApp e-commerce store allows businesses to showcase their goods and services to customers with the aid of WhatsApp business catalogs. This includes information like price, description, item number, and photos, making it simpler for users to search for the product they want to buy. Yeah, so WhatsApp Business has a an e-commerce feature in it. It has a catalog where you can where you can upload your product or services, and you put price there. People can go through your catalog, then make purchases right there. Okay, so it's amazing. It's amazing. So that's it. Then broadcasting feature. So WhatsApp has a broadcasting feature that enables you to send a message to larger number of your people at once. Okay, WhatsApp broadcasting feature enables businesses to send generic communication to all of their user bases. Okay, this can be used for holiday wishes, company updates via WhatsApp newsletter, and more, promoting brand recognition and more. So the broadcasting is amazing feature on WhatsApp, right? You use it to get across to your users, send a message instantly, all of them will receive it as a chat, a kind of a chat. You understand? It's an amazing feature. If you use it well, it will pay. It will pay you greatly, right? Yes, it's easy to use. WhatsApp is easy to use and doesn't require extensive technical knowledge. So it's available on multiple platforms, including Android, iOS, and web browsers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. So it's quite easy to use. Okay, it's available in Android, iOS, web. Okay, very easy. Anybody can use it, even old mama at home. The grandma at home can use WhatsApp. So it's not difficult at all, right? So it's secure. Yeah, WhatsApp employs strong encryption to secure messages and calls, ensuring privacy. So this feature is particularly important for businesses that need to share sensitive information with their customers. So the security of WhatsApp is quite guaranteed. So when you send message to people, you know that message is secured. So that's another huge advantage of WhatsApp. Okay, and many more. There are so many advantages and advantages of WhatsApp. You're going to be finding them out as we are going through the process. Then let's stop here for now for the advantages of WhatsApp. So from the ones we've listed here already, you are sure you already see that this WhatsApp is a big thing. So probably if you've been using WhatsApp for just fun to chat with your family and friends, you see that you are missing out on huge opportunities to make money and reach wider audience and explode your business and make lots of money. Okay, but since you are going through this course now, you've taken a wise decision in grabbing the opportunity. Okay, so I will analyze everything you're going to do bit by bit, how you're going to go about doing it, so that at the end of the day, you will be smiling to the bank and your business will grow and you'll be happy. I wish you the best of luck. So in the next tutorial, we'll continue. Thank you so much.